Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'll be showing an anatomy of a 7.5 risk reward trade. Meaning, if I raise $1,000 on this trade, I could gain $7,500 at the end of the day. As you can see, I set up this stop loss and profit in the live stream yesterday before I closed my live stream. I am just thinking of showing you the results of this particular trade. This type of trade is one that I would take on my own personal account, and it is my bread and butter positional trade. Usually for my personal trades, I will aim for at least a 5 RR, usually 6.7 or 7.5. These are all measured. I have my own way of identifying and do have a higher further target below for this particular trade. But usually because it is more of a swing target, and since I day trade, I will just aim for the lower target. So just to show you all, these are all predictive. That the market is algorithmic. You can check back the yesterday's live stream over here when I set up the stop loss and take profit. You don't have to forgive me because I actually do not know how to use the profit target tool in QuantPower, so I have to fiddle with it for a while. You see that before the price even reached the intended entry, I had already decided where my entry, my stop loss, and take profit would be. You can see that this is a 7.5 risk reward that was predetermined early on. And it's also my usual set and forget one shot, one kill entries. One lesson is that for this type of entries, it is important to honor the stop losses and take profit, and don't move them after you decided on it. So let's take a look at it. The overall flow for the day is bearish right at the open. It's a sharp drop, but a quick recovery after that. This was to hunt back like all the stop losses. To hunt all the stops that shot along the morning session. You see that when it reaches this red line or purple line, there's a sharp rejection over here. So that is when I know that the overall sentiment is continuing on bearish for the day. This will be the high of the day, and after that there is a 5-minute market structure break over here, 5-minute market structure break, and another one over here, 5-minute market structure break. And it is on this market structure break that I know that the ship is selling south. I just need to wait for a pullback, and that is when I set up this entry. My stop loss is over here. Okay. And if it reaches the stop loss, then I know my hypothesis is wrong for the day. So it enters the entry at around 11:25, and all I have to do next is just wait. Time cycle is also important in determining my trade. By this time, I think I would have already closed my stream because yeah, there's nothing else much to say about it. Just have to wait and see. Okay, let me go to the actual trade. All right, so this is the actual trade, and you see that by 3:55 it hits my target, and actually I do have a lower target around here, which you can see it went over, but it fulfills at the aftermarket. So it's just my anatomy of a high probability low risk and high reward trade. Overall, there's a bearish sentiment. It hits a high of the day. There's a 5-minute market structure break, which is when I know that the direction is turning bearish again. Then I have a mechanized approach for risk reward. So this is my entry, and my stop loss is over here. And I have a preset take profit of 7.5. Obviously, I'm not taking it in this current account because for this fast track trading account, it's actually very difficult to reach the 20% consistency rule if I apply this particular strategy. So there you have it. I hope you gain something out of it. If you gain something out of it, do subscribe, and if you enjoy it, give this video a like. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time.